and thank you once again for joining us. We haven't posted in a while. We've had some technical difficulties, but we're back in the saddle again and ready to go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps our channel grow and lets us know that you like our content and our designs. Don't forget to tick that bell to be notified when we upload a new video. You can also check us out on Instagram at CSS Leather Designs. We appreciate a follow there. You can also message us there and see photos of new products and or new designs. This is a Birkenstock rebuild. This has been totally rebuilt from the ground up using original Birkenstock style insoles, as always. Birkenstock soles. We use a little higher density Birkenstock sole than what comes on them factory stock. These are about a millimeter thicker and a higher density rubber, so for longer wear. We redesigned these, cleaned the leather all up. We also enhanced them, as you can see, with a complementary stitching, saddle style, all the way around the perimeter. We can do these in any color of our tiger thread stitching. We offer 13 or so different colors, but we would greatly appreciate it if you would give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put them in the comments below, and don't hesitate to check us out on Instagram at CSS Leather Designs. Feel free to send us an email at cssleatherdesigns@gmail.com. The link is in the description below, as the link is for our Instagram page. We'd like to thank you once again for joining us, and we hope you all have a great day.